Imagine waking up to a new day, the world calm and filled with possibilities. We have just 5 minutes to awaken, stretch, and let our bodies prepare for whatever lies ahead. Think of this time as the beginning of a journey, one that will leave you feeling grounded, resilient, and ready to face anything the day may bring. Let's hit the mat. Start seated, legs crossed, spine tall. Inhale, lifting your right arm overhead, and as you exhale, lean gently to the left. This moment is all about creating space, opening up the sides, and breathing in clarity for the day. Reaching your left arm overhead. With each breath, let go of yesterday's weight, as if each exhale releases any lingering tension. Each stretch expands through the ribs, inviting openness, like the first rays of morning light reaching out to fill every part of you. Keeping a tall spine, place your right hand behind you, your left hand on your right knee. Inhale deeply, lengthening your spine, and as you exhale, twist gently to the right. Imagine this twist as the first step into a new territory, allowing your spine to release and reset. Switch to the left side. Each twist is a reminder that flexibility and strength are within, waiting to be drawn out. This gentle movement makes way for resilience and balance, helping you prepare to meet each challenge ahead. Move to a kneeling position and fold into child's pose. Arms reaching forward, take a deep breath in, feeling grounded. And as you exhale, slide forward into cobra stretch, lifting your chest to the light, shoulders opening wide. Continue this dynamic movement, letting each transition invite a gentle awakening along the spine. This flow symbolizes a crossing of thresholds, a moment of transformation from stillness to strength. Each movement draws you further into a state of readiness, creating space for new energy. Move on to all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arching your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky for cow pose. Then exhale, rounding your spine into cat pose, releasing any lingering tension. Imagine each breath connecting mind and body, drawing energy through the spine as it becomes a source of strength. In this moment, your journey is about connection, grounding yourself as you breathe, becoming more focused and prepared for the challenges ahead. Stand up tall, inhale, and fold forward from your hips, reaching down to your toes. Gently sweep your hands from side to side across your feet. Each sweep is like letting go of what no longer serves you, releasing tightness from your back and hamstrings. This movement mirrors a return to center, closing a loop and bringing you full circle in your journey. As you rise, the morning feels a little brighter, your body lighter, and your spirit ready for the day ahead. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you stretched, grounded yourself, and set the tone for an empowered day. To keep this energy flowing, try another stretch, check out a workout, or relax with a calming meditation. Let this moment be your guide as you step into the day with strength and focus.